Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to go ahead and talk about railways and what has been its role in the Indian economy. To begin with, I just want to focus on some of the important information of railways. थोड़ा सा हम एक बारी data देख लेते हैं बेटा. Then I will start with the details of railways. तो ये हम अपना पूरा railways के period को इतने phases में divide कर सकते हैं. We can divide the entire railway period in these many phases. So 1832 to 1852 is the period of industrial railways. Industrial railways मतलब कि passenger railway नहीं था, लोग travel नहीं कर सकते थे. It was only for industrial purpose. 1853 to 1904 expansion and introduction of passenger railways. Passenger railways came into place. 1925 to 1944 electrification of the railways. तो पहले electrified नहीं थी, electricity पे नहीं चलती थी, अब electricity पे चलनी शुरू हो गई. 1947 to 1950 aftermath of partition हो गया था. 1951 to 1983 zonal reorganization and development of railways reached a different level और हमने zonal railways create करने शुरू कर दिए, मतलब zones बनाने शुरू कर दिए, ज्यादा railway stations create करने शुरू कर दिए. 1984 to present rapid transit and development of railways. Rapid transit मतलब कि things like metro जो rapidly आपको travel करवाती हैं from within the city from one place to another, and the later development of the railways. So these are the different phases in which we can go ahead and divide the entire period of the railways. ठीक है बेटा, let's read. The Indian Railways is a crucial component of Indian economy, connecting people, goods, service across the country. So railways क्या करता है? It connects people, it connects goods and services across the country. India's first railway came in 1932 at Madras by British government. In 1937, country's first train Redhill railways began from Redhill to Chintarikot Bridge. It was built by Arthur Cotton in 1836 for transporting granite. तो थोड़ा सा समझ लेते हैं डेटा को. हमने पहला रेलवे प्रपोज किया 1832 में. प्रपोज बोला कि इंडिया में रेलवे लेकर आते हैं. 1836 में हम आर्थर कॉटन ने उसको बिल्ड किया. 1837 में फर्स्ट टाइम रेलवे चला, उसको बोला गया रेड हिल रेलवे, और वो चला रेड हिल से लेके चिंत्राडी पोर्ट ब्रिज तक. हाँ बेटा, this is in Karnataka. I think this bridge is in Karnataka. Just let me know if I'm correct. Huh? This place is in Karnataka. So this is the first railway that started. Huh? It was called as Red Hill Railway, but it was not a passenger railway. This was an industrial railway. अभी passengers लोग railways के through जाना नहीं start हुए थे. On 8th May 1845, Madras Railway incorporated and followed that year was East Indian Railway. तो इसके बाद फिर all railways आने शुरू हो गई. Again, not passenger railways. In 1845, we had the Madras Railway was incorporated and it was followed by East India Railway. ठीक है बेटा, come forward. In 1848 to 1856, गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया वॉज लॉर्ड डालहाउसी. बेटा उनको क्या बोलते हैं? लॉर्ड डालहाउसी इज नोन एज द फादर ऑफ रेलवेज. So he is called as the father of railways because of his famous railway minutes in 1853 through which he initiated introduction of railways in India. तो अब आप बोलोगे मैम 1853 में कैसे इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ? अगर हम पहले ही बात कर चुके थे